Here we will understand the difference between excitatory and inhibitory neurotransmitters. Glutamate, acetylcholine, epinephrine, norepinephrine and nitric oxide are excitatory neurotransmitters, and GABA, glycine, serotonin, dopamine are inhibitory neurotransmitters. Among excitatory neurotransmitters, glutamate and acetylcholine are main neurotransmitters, whereas epinephrine, norepinephrine and nitric oxide are other neurotransmitters. In inhibitory neurotransmitters, GABA and glycine are main neurotransmitters, whereas serotonin and dopamine are other neurotransmitters. Excitatory neurotransmitters act locally in a cerebral cortex, whereas inhibitory neurotransmitters act locally. Excitatory neurotransmitters are released by excitatory neurons such as pyramidal neurons of cerebral cortex, whereas inhibitory neurotransmitters are released by inhibitory neurons such as stellate cells, candelilla neurons and basket neurons of cerebral cortex. Excitatory neurotransmitters makes postsynaptic to generate action potential, whereas inhibitory neurotransmitters prevent the postsynaptic neurons by generating an action potential. Excitatory neurotransmitters increase transmembrane inflow of postsynaptic neurons, whereas inhibitory neurotransmitters decrease the transmembrane ion flow of postsynaptic neurons. This is ion flow. Excitatory neurotransmitters opens sodium channels in postsynaptic neurons, whereas inhibitory neurotransmitters opens potassium channel in postsynaptic neurons. Excitatory neurotransmitters makes it easy to depolarize the postsynaptic neurons, whereas inhibitory neurotransmitters makes difficult to depolarize postsynaptic neuron. Excitatory neurotransmitters are used by type 1 synapses, whereas inhibitory neurotransmitters are used by type 2 synapses.